problem. Question is the circumradius of the triangle with vertices 1, 2, 3, next 5, 3, and 2, 7. So this is the question. Locate these points on the coordinate plane. So the diagram will be like this: is y-axis, this one is x-axis. Now what we do is, so this is x-axis and this is y-axis, this is origin. So suppose this is 2, that is 2, 0, and this one is, suppose this is 5, that is 5, 0. Then again here this is 2, that is this is 0, 2. Sorry, suppose this one is not required actually. Suppose this is 0, 3. This is 0, 3. Next to what we need, y coordinate is 7 is there. Therefore, extend this a bit. So this one is, suppose 0, 7. So this is 0, 7 points. Now the circumradius of the triangle with vertices 2, 3. So 2, 3 vertex will be somewhere over here. So this is 2 units, this is 3 units. This is the vertex 2, 3 vertex. Next to 5, 3. So 5, 3, this is 5 units, this one is 3 units. Therefore, this one will be 5, 3 vertex. So this is 5, 3 vertex. Now another vertex is what? 2, 7. So 2, 7 is what? This is 2 units and 7 units. So the another vertex will be this one, 2, 7. 2, 7. Now this is the triangle. This is 2, 7, and this one is 2, 3, and this one is 5, 7. These are the vertices. So if you join all these vertices, so this is the triangle so formed. Now which triangle is it? Is it a right angle triangle or not? So it's a right angle triangle, right angle at 2, 3. So now the question is what? Now the question is, we need to find the radius of the triangle, circumradius. So the circle will be what? This one is the circle of this triangle. So circumradius means the circumcircle's radius. This is circumcircle. So as it is a right angle triangle, therefore circumcenter lies on midpoint of the hypotenuse. Midpoint of the hypotenuse. That's why midpoint of the hypotenuse means this line, this hypotenuse, this itself is the diameter of the circle. Therefore, circumradius is what? Half of the diameter. So that is, suppose if you give the names of names for the vertices A, B, C, then circumdiameter is what? For this diagram, because it's a right angle triangle, circumdiameter is equal to what here? AC is the circumdiameter. That implies circumradius is equal to what? Circumradius is equal to circumdiameter by 2. This is the circumradius. So which is equal to, this AC distance is equal to what? 5 minus 2 whole square plus 7 minus 5, 3. This is, I think. Yes, this is 5, 3. I have written 7. Yes, 5 minus 2 whole square. Next 3 minus 7 whole square. 2, 7, right. Therefore 3 minus 7 whole square, or 7 minus 7 square. 3 minus 7 whole square. So which is equals to by 2. Sorry. By 2, that is the circumradius. So by 2. So which is equal to square root of 3 square, that is 9. This is 4 minus 4 square, that is 16 by 2. So what is the 16 plus 9? 25 root by 2, therefore 5 by 2. So this is the circumradius of the triangle. So 5 by 2 units. This is the circumradius of the triangle. Let in a triangle ABC, let in a triangle orthocenter, let in a triangle ABC, orthocenter is 3, 4 and centroid is 5, 9. Then find circumcenter. Find circumcenter. This is the question. So to solve this question, here the question is related to orthocenter, centroid, and circumcenter. So we have seen one result in first or second class. So suppose this is orthocenter and centroid and circumcenter. So what you have seen, centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter. Yes or no? Orthocenter and circumcenter
into 2:1.
2:1 ratio. Yes or no? Internally, centroid divides. Yes or no? So already we have seen that one. So now this is equal to orthocenter, this is circumcenter and centroid. Therefore, centroid divides orthocenter and circumcenter in the ratio 2:1. Already we have seen this one. So in question, orthocenter is given as 3, 4. Centroid is given as 5, 9. So it is being asked to find circumcenter. Let the circumcenter coordinates be some h, k. Let these are the coordinates of the circumcenter. So now with the help of the internal division formula, we can find. So here G5, 9 divides G5, 9 divides H and O internally in 2:1 ratio. Internally in the ratio of 2:1. Therefore, G5, 9 is equal to internal division formula. We will put it. So this is M/N. Yes or no? So these are X1, Y1 and X2, Y2. So M goes this side and 1 goes this side. Therefore, the formula is what? Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. Therefore, 2 into X2 is what? H. Mx2 plus N. N is what? 1. Nx1. X1 is 3 by M plus N. That is 2 plus 1. My2. My2 is what? K plus Ny1. 1 into Y1 is 4 by M plus N. So this is equal to 5, 9 is equal to what? 2H plus 3 by 3, comma 2K plus 4 by 3. So our requirement is H, K. Therefore, from this one, 2H plus 3 by 3 is equal to 5. That implies 2H plus 3 is equals to 15. So 2H is equals to 12. H is equal to 6. Next, 9 is equal to otherwise. So 2K plus 4 by 9 is equal to, sorry, by 3 is equal to 9. 2K plus 4 is equals to 27. 2K is equal to 23. K is equals to 23 by 2. So therefore, the coordinates of circumcenter H, K are 6, 23 by 2. Therefore, circumcenter is H, K OH comma K is equal to what? 6 comma 23 by 2. So this is the answer. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Here what we have used, already we use this result we have in H by HG by GO is equals to 2 by 1. Method 2 is, what we do is, we can think like this. How? See, instead of internal division, the same diagram I will take. See, now what I do is, we will think like this, the same question. So, now tell me, here what we have seen, this with respect to G, we have solved the problem. That is, G divides H and O internally in the ratio 2:1. Now we think like this. With respect to O, if you see, what can we say? O divides H and G externally in the ratio, tell me?
1:3.
No, 3:1.
3:1.
This 2 units aithe, this 1 unit aitadamma. If this distance is about 2K, this distance is 1K. That's why G divides H and K in the ratio 2:1 internally. In the similarly, we can say like this also we can say O divides H and G externally in the ratio 3:1 because this is 3 units. If this is 3 units, because 2 plus 1, this will be what? 1 units. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, like that we will solve. Therefore, O divides H and G externally in 3:1 ratio. Externally in 3:1 ratio. So, if you solve the problem like this, you need not to solve the equations. Here in previous question, we solved the equations. But here we will directly will get the answer. So here circumcenter is equal to, in this method, circumcenter O is equal to, directly you will get the answer because here x1, y1, here x2, y2 are these things. And m is to n is equal to what here? 3:1. So directly mx2 minus nx1, m x2 is what? H. Sorry, 5. Sorry. X2, y2, 5 come over there. Mx2 minus nx1 minus 1 into x1 is what? 3 by m minus n, that is 3 minus 1. Next, my2. y2 is what? 4 minus n y1. y1 is what? 4 by m minus n. Directly we will get the answer. That is 15 minus 3 by 2 and 12 minus 4 by 2. So that is equals to what? 15 minus 3, 12. 12 by 2, 6. Here 12 minus, okay, here we committed some 23. Right? So what, where we committed the mistake? Then 3, 4 and the points into 3, 4, 5, 9. Kada? 4, 5, 4, this one, 5, 9. That's why the first coordinate is same here. mx2 my2 minus ny1, that is, this is 27. So 27 minus 4 is what? 23. Clear this method?
Yes, sir.
So you need not solve here h comma. Okay, directly we got the x comma. This is the easy way to solve the